Hello guys, welcome to Flower It! Today I'll be doing a Barbie Color Reveal toys review. I've heard from many people that this is a very cool and interesting experiment, which is why I want to share this with you guys. Let's open it. Let's open the instruction manual. So the Barbie Color Reveal set includes a white cylinder tube which has the blue Barbie doll and 4 mystery accessories. When we turn the page, there are a set of instructions which tells us to first put the Barbie doll in some cold water which will reveal its body, and then we need to put in the accessories, but before we do that, we need to use a sponge that will reveal its design on its face. Now you can put the Barbie doll in the cold water. Let's see what happens. Are you seeing this? The water is becoming blue. It looks so nice. I wonder how the Barbie is gonna look like. Oh my gosh, the Barbie has pink hair! I can even see his face! Are you guys seeing this? The water is actually revealing the Barbie's body! I'm so excited! Let's open the accessories. Here we have the sponge that almost looks like a flower. On the instruction manual, it shows me to use some cold water. Let's do it. Let's open the next accessory. I wonder what it is. Oh wow, it's a skirt. I love the design. Let's put it on the Barbie doll. Oh wow, the next accessories are the shoes. Let's put them on the doll. Okay, this is our last one. I'm guessing it's the hair. Yes, it is. Wow, I love the pink highlights on the hair. It even matches the outfit. Wow, she looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked my channel, please remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment down below. See you next time. Bye!